Me again. What am I doing? Just doing I'm working on an old project that I started that I should have finished a long time ago. So, and I was getting frustrated, so I just figured I'd take a break. So now I'm unbreaking and gonna finish it because it needs to get done. It needs out of here. And somebody gave me a good idea and use one of these suckers. So check this out. If you remember one of my videos where I was making a sign, I was trying to get all the letters off here, but somebody told me to use one of those little scratch paddy things. So let me see. Try to get all. I was peeling it off with a knife, and well, the knife wasn't working anymore, so I'm using a little pad like this. Hands are getting cold. Hello folks, now that the dust is cleared and the compressor's off, I went ahead and spared you the grief, but I did this just to get it done. See? It's not perfect, but that's what I wanted to look like. Homemade. It looks, what's that old saying? It looks rustic. So, I don't know if I cut my finger. I feel like I got something in my finger. Or I got skin burn. Anyway, I just wanted to look, just so you could see it. I would like to put a black border around it, but I'll wait. It doesn't look perfect. It's not great. It's homemade. Maybe I'll make a better one soon. Now that I know I can do the router, I did it on the fly. It's not a, you know what I mean? It's home. What is that word? It looks rustic, meaning it's not shitty, but it's not perfect. So it looks rustic. Looks like it's homemade. It's like I kind of got the letters okay. I didn't use a letter sketch. It looks, they come up portion. I did a little accident router cuts here and there. So yeah, I'm happy with the results. I don't care. It's going on a building. As long as you could read it, yeah, it's okay. So I'm gonna finish coloring in the edges and see how it goes. So stay tuned, and I'll cut in another piece when I'm done here. So stay tuned. Hello, folks. This is what I got done so far. Hours. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's my store. We're open 4 days a week. The other 3 days a week, I go pick up stuff from my store. But I sell American products. I go to US, sell them, come back. So yeah, if it's not a perfect job, I need to put a clear coat on it. I did a quick job because I want it out of here. I won't tell you what I used to color it in because you'll laugh. But it's what I had, and I can't find the black paint. And I'm pretty sure it's so cold in here the black paint's not even going to stick. So I used something. Use my imagination. Got it done. Let me see if I could flip the phone around here. So yeah, I got it done for now. I got to drill 2 holes in it so I can mount it and put it somewhere. I will probably bring it in my house. I have a semi-warm spot. I can kind of clear coat it just for now. I will see how it withstands till the spring, and in the spring I will probably just give it another bath in black paint. Use a brush. I'm probably gonna get a paint marker and paint all the letters in with paint on a marker, because I don't know. It's either I'm gonna use a brayer, go across it all with black paint, or I might even use a roller and squirt it across. Might be easier. Thin coat at a time. I don't know. That's pretty much it for this thing. At least it's out of here. It's one less thing. I tried doing something else a while ago, but that video failed. So I'm not gonna videotape that failure. It's just a complete failure. So I waited too long on something and it didn't work. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll make you dizzy. I feel like I'm rocking on a boat here. Oh, we're rocking. Oh my god. The earth is shaking. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.